Hi, my name's Sharon and we're on board my boat Sunseeker, which is a 19-foot half cabin Haynes Hunter, and this is our little Yamaha generator that we got from my generator. We like to call her Jenny. We like Jenny, she's good. She helps charge up our batteries when our solar panels don't work very well, if it's a rainy day or we've just been away for a week. We have a little electric fridge which tends to draw a lot of power, so this is our insurance policy so that we've got enough power to run the fridge and keep everything working. We've got this nice cover which keeps the salt spray off when we're going along, and it's pretty easy to take on and off, and she's pretty light to pick up. It makes it really easy because we can plug into 240, put in our battery charger and hook that up to our batteries to charge up our batteries.